CapCut tutorial for beginners 2025 new. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can use CapCut. So for that we will simply open CapCut. If you guys don't have that app, you guys can download it from Play Store or App Store. So let's open it. Now the first thing first, you guys can see me. So simply click on me. Here you guys will simply see on top like view profile. So simply click here. Now here I already sign up. When you want to sign up or sign in, here you guys can use your email or Google account or other things. And once you use that, after that you guys can purchase pro subscription. So basically in pro subscription you guys get a lot of premium options, like a lot of premium effects, other things that CapCut don't usually offer for free. So once you do that, even you guys can use free version or free things, like CapCut already offer that. So I'm using free version. So let's click on new video and let me tell you the few features. Here you guys will simply import a video, like simple videos. I will simply import video. Now here you guys will see HD. So when you click on HD, the video will be approved. The video will import it in original quality. So let's click on add. Now here we will wait for some seconds. Here you guys can see add audio, add text. So when you click on add audio, here you guys will see on down extract. So basically when you click on extract, here you guys can extract any audio from the videos. So when you click on sounds, here you guys will see TikTok icon. When you click on TikTok icon, here you guys can add your TikTok favorite music. Like if you add any music in TikTok favorite, you guys can add that. Also, when you click on that second one, here you guys can see device. When you click on device, here you guys can import your music etc. Now you'll simply back. Here you guys can see sound effects. So when you click here, here you guys can search for effects etc that CapCut offers. Now we will simply click on text to video. Here you guys can convert any text to video. For example, you have script of YouTube video etc. Here you guys will simply paste, and here you guys can get a lot of text CapCut free voices. Now when you click on record, here you guys can record live voiceover on CapCut app. Now we will simply click on AI music. When you click on AI music, here you guys can write a prompt and AI music will be generated for you. So that was for premium, or also you guys can use one time for free. Now the third one was brand music. When you click here, here you guys can see a lot of brand music is here you guys. Now here we will simply click on custom voices. Here you guys can create custom voice. So after that you guys can convert it to. Here you guys can create custom voices. Now we will simply click on here. Here you guys can see split. So when basically whenever you want to crop a video, simply select the part and click on split, and that part will be cropped in here. Now when you click here, here you guys can see volume. So in volume you guys can turn off or turn high your volume in CapCut. Now we will simply click on any animations. In animation you guys can add effects of videos, like right side animation, left side animation, and other type of animation. In effects you guys can add video effects, body effects, and AI effects. Now we will simply go to another one. In delete, for example, I want to delete some part from CapCut. Like for example, I want to delete between 3 to 2 seconds. So I will simply go to 2 seconds. Here I will click. Now you guys can click on split, and after that I will go to 3. Here I will click again on split. Now I have two cuts. So for example, I want to remove that part. So I will simply click on here. Now I will simply click on delete. Once I click on delete, that part will be removed from my video. For exporting video, you guys will simply click on export. Here when you click on AI Ultra HD, here you guys can export video whatever quality you want to add. Also when you click on overlay, here you guys can add overlay images, logos etc that you want to add. When you click on filters, here you guys can see a lot of filters. Some are premium, some are free. You guys can use that. Now we will simply go to adjust. In adjust, you guys can make your own filter or color grading to CapCut videos. Now we will go to stickers. So here you guys can get a lot of stickers or anything. Like CapCut has big library, like you whatever you want to search for, here you guys can get. Here when you I click on draw, here I can draw on pics or videos. Now you guys can see auto lyrics. So when you click on auto lyrics, you guys can add auto lyrics to your music videos or subtitle etc and TikTok shorts, YouTube shorts. So that's how you guys can use CapCut in 2025 for free beginner tutorial. Thanks for watching.